Hi there, welcome to NZ Electronics Repair. Today we received this MacBook A1990 and in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the charging port on this MacBook. So grab yourself a P5 screwdriver and remove these 6 screws on the bottom case. Then use a suction cup to pull up the back cover and push it outside. Just remove the back cover like this. So this is the charging port on this MacBook. So for removing this, you have to remove these screws and the logic board as well. So first of all, we will disconnect the battery first. And just lift it 45 degrees like this. So for removing the charging port, first remove this cover. And disconnect this. For disconnecting it, remove these screws. And disconnect the cables as well. After that, gently lift the logic board like this and gently pull out this charging port. To reassemble it, it's very simple. You have to lift the logic board again and you have to, after it's connected, just gently press on it until you hear a click sound. Then go ahead and reinstall the screws for the logic board. Reconnect the speaker. And then you can reinstall the charging port bracket as well. So if your MacBook is not charging and you're also looking for a fast repair, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair or call 0800 585 222 for a free quote and fix your MacBook today.